So there's a company that you can pay thousands of dollars to, and all it does is delete the code that your AI wrote. It's three senior engineers. They take about a week or less, and when they're done, your software works exactly like it did before. It just has two-thirds of the code gone. So they call their outfit Slop Fix, and the engineers are three guys named Masiej, Kuba, and Krzysztof. I'm not entirely sure why, but knowing that they have actual names, even though I can't pronounce them, does make me trust them more. So what does AI code really cost you? I mean, it's done in a few seconds. Doesn't seem like it's much above zero, but Slopfix says that a typical job takes 100,000 lines of code down to about 35,000 while keeping the same functionality and buttons and features and everything else. It just has one-third of the code. And they don't even charge a flat fee. They promise a reduction target up front, and you pay in proportion how much they actually cut. So if they promise 50% and then they deliver 20% reduction, you'd pay less than half because they're that sure that the bloat is in there, which I kind of like. You don't see this kind of confidence from people who bill by the hour. And now I'm wondering if how much of what they're doing is manual versus are they using AI to delete AI code? Ponder. So people are now getting paid to delete what the AI wrote, and the reason the entire job exists and will probably continue to grow for the time being kind of tells you a lot about how AI writes code, at least as of 2026. Slotfix's own explanation is that when an AI agent works on a great big code base, it can't see every little function. It doesn't hold it all in context. It starts duplicating code instead of trying to find what's already there. For instance, it needs to format a date. Well, rather than try and find that little three-line function in your 100,000 lines of code, it writes a 14th way to format a date because it forgot or can't find the other 13 very easily. Now, do that across an entire system, and most of the bloat is either stuff that isn't used anymore, extra testing conditions, or just the same work done over and over. Now, I run companies that use AI-driven coding tools every single day. I am not knocking them. They are amazing. They are genuinely fast. Personally, I do most of my initial rounds of coding with AI these days, but the AI is making the writing cheap. What it is not making cheap is the maintenance. And maintaining a code base, maintaining what the AI wrote, is what actually takes up most of a developer's time. I'm going to make a prediction right now. Give it a year, and every big consultancy is going to have some service line for exactly this, cleaning up after the AI. Slopfix, those three wacky guys are just early, and I'm sure someone's already building a massive pitch deck for this, probably with an AI. So ask yourself if the AI is really saving you money or it's just making the bill a problem for your future self. If you found this quick and helpful, please subscribe. But until next time, keep asking good questions.